Hey everyone, I've stumbled upon something very cool that hardly anyone knows about yet. It's a way for lots of folks to earn their first $1,000 to $2,000 online. And surprisingly, it's not getting much attention. The best part, it's very simple. Even a 14-year-old can start doing this right now. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to make a lot of money online. And guess what? You don't need to show your face or have any special knowledge. So let's dive in and I show you how you can set it up in 15 minutes. Let's go to step 1. This method requires a variety of tools, and for this step, let's kick off by going to the first tool we have, Kittl.com. This graphic design platform is a game changer, offering a wide range of ready-made templates that make creating graphics a breeze for everyone. In this platform, with the use of AI, you can create a stunning artwork by simply giving quick prompts in no time at all. So take a few minutes to create a new account on Kittl, and let's go to the next step. In the next step, we go to ChatGPT and ask it to give us top 10 books in your preferred niche. It could be in any topic like finance, self-help, or business. And here, I asked it to give me top 10 books for personal finance. So it gives me some of the books here. I think some of them are familiar to you, like the Rich Dad and Poor Dad. And then we should go to Audible, which is an audio platform from Amazon, and just check to see if these books are available there. So for example, this book, The Millionaire Next Door. So I just copied this and check in the Audible, The Millionaire Next Door, and I can see that this is available. We make sure that most of the books here in this list are available so that we can use it in the next steps. And now what we do is going back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a book summary for us for a title that we have selected from the list. So I go back to the ChatGPT now. For example, I'll go to this one, I will teach you to be rich. So I will ask ChatGPT to give me a summary with 2,000 words for this book. Okay, now I type here, give me a summary, book number 5 with 2,000 words. So now we have a summary of the book. So in order to use it later in our method, we are going to use another AI so that it can reward it and make it in a way that it would be not recognized as something created by AI. Now let's go to the AI that is called SpinBots. As you can see here, in this software, we paste our summary of the book from the ChatGPT. So I go to ChatGPT and copy it and paste it here. And here I click the button Basic Spin. Now we have a rephrase or paraphrase created for us on the right that is free from the AI detection. So I create Google Doc file here and paste this summary in this Google Doc file, and I also add the title. Okay, so we have the summary of the book here. Now we are ready to move to the next step. In this step, we are going to have an affiliate link with Audible. So in order to do that, we go to google.com and search for Audible Affiliate Program. And as you can see, there are different links here. So we go to this first one, Audible Affiliates. And here it talks about Audible Creator Program. So here there are some fees that are given as affiliates. For example, for any free trial with Audible, you get $5. Go and click this Become an Affiliate here, and it takes you to a Amazon page, and you have to sign in with your Amazon account, and then goes through some steps. And they give you a link, and you copy this link, and we use it in the next step. Now let's go to Kittl.com that I talked to you about in the beginning to create an account with. So here I'm in Kittl, and as you can see, if you go to this section, Kittl AI, you can use this, and here you are able to give a prompt and it will create a picture for you. So we need a cover for this when we are using it in an article. So in order to get an idea of what we can use, we can read the title here. It says that I will teach you to be rich. So this topic is about becoming rich and money. So I go back to Kittl here and I just type here, becoming rich. And then I click generate image. So after a few seconds, the AI is creating the image. Now we can see that this image is created for us. And I think this is good for our article, which shows a man with a lot of money. and this image I'm going to download and use it for our article. So the next step is to use the affiliate link we created with Audible in our article. Imagine that you have signed up for the affiliate program and you have received a link. So this link, imagine that this is the link for us. So I'm going to use this as a link, as an example, okay? And we go back to our article here, and what we're going to do is to find the areas which is talking about the book, and we create a hyperlink. So we can say here's the book, we can hyperlink it and insert a link here. So when the person clicks on the book, it goes to the Audible and they can try it for free, and you can get paid for the affiliate program. For example, here at the end, I will train you to be rich. Okay, the title of the book here, again, it's mentioned. So we can also add another affiliate link here. And also we can create some call to action here. For example, after they read the article for some paragraph, we can put a link here, download the book for free, and make it bold here, and then add a hyperlink. So I put the link here, and we can copy this and put at the end as well. So here we can see that we have created this article with a photo, and there is a hyperlink here, and there is a call to action. So now we have our article ready. The next thing we have to do is go to the Medium website, which is a free platform to publish your articles, and many viewers come and read your articles. Now I come to medium.com, and then I click the right here so that I can create an article here. So I put title of my book here. So I go back to the book. I will teach you to be rich. So here I create this title, book summary, I will teach you to be rich. And then I go and copy all the text here with all the affiliate links. Now here I go to this section and click this to add a photo. Here, as you can see, we have created our book summary here with the photo and the article here with different affiliate links. What you need to do is to publish your article. But you may ask your question that maybe there would not be a lot of traffic to your article once published on Medium. So what you can do is go and create a TikTok account to drive traffic. In the TikTok videos you create, you add 1 or 2 sentences which show some of the lessons from these books. These lessons can trigger people to click the link that you put in your TikTok video or in the description, and people come to your article through the link and read your article, and therefore click on your affiliate links. So what we can do now is going to use an AI that creates great videos for us. So if you go to Invideo.io, we can use this great software to make short videos. And now what we do is go to the template section, and we choose a template which is related to money. So I go and choose the portrait version. Here there are 3 different scenes. It starts with the first scene and it goes to the second and the third. And now we can add text. So we come here and choose this text here. This is added here at the bottom. So here you can see that the first image here is a lesson from the book. In the next scene, we have to change the text. So what we do is we go back to the article that we have created here, summary of the book, and try to find some sentences or some of the lessons here that are really catchy and people can be really interested. So as you can see, ChatGPT has created a great summary of this paragraph that we can use in our video to publish on TikTok. So I just copy this and I go back to Invideo here. I put this $sign here, and yes, that's it. Okay, after I created the video, now I can download it and open it here. Here's the video that I downloaded. Now I play it and we can see it together. So this is one of the ways you can create these kind of things, and then you put the link in the description of your TikTok video, and the people will come to your Medium article and read your article and then click on the affiliate links. This is one of the ways you can drive traffic to your articles and your affiliate links. Also, you can do the same with YouTube Shorts. The point is that you use a variety of tools to drive traffic to your Medium articles, and in this way, you generate a lot of money online. So you can create different book summaries and publish them on Medium and drive traffic to them. And by creating many articles, you increase your chance of generating money online. So this is the method you can use to generate a lot of money online. And I would be glad to be in touch and see your results in the comments below. And also don't forget to check the other videos I've put here for you. I know you can do it. And you know why? Because you are a hero.